for doors and gates swinging in or out. Easy operating, handle serves as a pull. Latches right or left. May be padlocked. Satin black. With screws. Can be used on sheds, gates, fence doors, and animal pens. Carriage bolts and screws included for mounting. Designed for left or right hand swinging or sliding doors and gates. Secure cold rolled steel rod bar can also be padlocked for added security. Can be used on in-swing or out-swinging flush mount applications. Satin black, slide bolt latch with screws. Provides extra security with bolt latch screws included satin black finish. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly for an outdoor shower latch. This is exactly what I wanted for a privacy latch on the inside of an outdoor shower door. Sturdy, easy to use, and not too expensive.